Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luca-kun. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out, buddy. Blow it out. All right. Yay.
I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you? But do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Soon they boom, 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 boom. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Wake up, everyone. How can you sleep at a time like this unless the dreamer is the real you? Listen to your voice, the one that tells you to taste past the tip of your tongue. Leap in the net will appear. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I know it. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. I keep my life on a heavy rotation, requesting that it's lifting you up, up, up and away, and over to a table at the Gratitude Cafe. And I am finally there, and all the angels, they'll be singing la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, yes. Well, I don't wanna break before the tour is make it all mine. Timing's everything, and this time there's plenty. I am balancing, careful and steady, reveling in energy that everyone's emitting. Well, I don't wanna wait no more. Oh, I wanna celebrate the whole world. I'm gonna make it mine. Oh, yes, I'm following your joy. I'm gonna make it mine. Because I am open. I'm gonna make it mine. That's why I will show it. I'm gonna make it all mine. Make it mine.
There's a big one.
All mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine.
Vite, vite.
Yes!